Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Today we got something interesting today. We're actually putting up our brand new lift in the back. Devin is going to be back there now. It's going to be his new workstation. Fabricating, all that good stuff. Look at y'all go! This is cool.
Minimum 6 inches. Just to get one of the clamps. And I'm not going to clamp it in the back corner, I'm just going to clamp it on the first one.
That's what I'm trying to get you.
How's it going so far?
Not great.
Not great?
Look how long the cables are. They sent us the wrong cables, so now we're going to have to
Hey, can you throw me a flat hat?
You ready?
Woo! Oh God! There you.
Dan.
That was perfect.
So,
This is Devin slash Josh's new workstation, right?
slash Ed's if it's a free lift and I need to work on my car.
So, yeah, right.
Yeah, well, true. It's gonna be nice to have an extra lift that's not in the shop.
Yeah,
But,
so you can come back
this
here.
This is going to be transformed over the next couple weeks into a fab land.
Fab land.
All the fab
Where's Chris's car gonna go though?
Oh, it's going to get finished. Don't you know? It's going to get
Oh
finished,
yeah, it's in the corner, so close to the lift now.
It's almost done. Almost done. It's almost done.
Yeah, right. That is almost done. Yeah, sure. Okay.
Alright.
Josh doing his thing tuning. I'm gonna go bug the guys real quick in the back, see what they're doing today. It's Friday. Everybody's excited. I know CJ's working on something cool, so. So this right here I can relate to, guys. This man is inside the engine.
That's how you work on a car, folks.
So much more comfortable. You don't have to like break your legs and your back.
Yeah. Make sure you're not sitting on anything or breaking anything, you know.
Oh man, so single turbo, 2JZ.
Single turb ski.
It was twin, now it's single.
Yeah.
You've been doing the dang thing on this thing, homie.
Doing the dang thing. So,
Where you at now? You almost finished with this?
yeah, sure. We got all this mounted up, ready to go. Compressor housing came back from powder coat, wrinkle black as always, because it's the best powder
That looks
coat.
so good.
Wrinkle black is like the truth. I can't put my rail on yet because I'm waiting on an adapter for my fuel pressure sensor, like for the gauge. We're actually doing a digital gauge. We were gonna put a regular gauge on it, and then we didn't have enough clearance in here for the gauge to sit because it has to be on this side of the regulator. Right. So we kind of switched what we were gonna do, and we're gonna go digital, so it'll run straight into the ECU, and you can see it from the computer.
Oh, that sounds dope.
Yeah.
Wow.
So I'm getting everything buttoned up. We got a new water pump, all that stuff on there. I got all this stuff back together a while ago. But
Well, this is gonna be sweet.
yeah. And we're gonna wrap these in some fiberglass. The heat wrap.
Hide
Yeah. We're gonna
your pie.
Hide his pie. Way down there. Well, you
I
can see some of them.
Yeah, kinda.
But yeah, he had a lot of pie cuts right there.
Get this project out of here. Work on the next one.
Yeah.
And the next one. And the next one.
And then after that, the
Was
next one.
Hey Fab Daddy, what you got going on, buddy?
I'm a Fab Daddy today.
What's up, Fab Daddy?
Fab Daddy
We
here
need
in
to
the
make an
building.
intro and I don't want to be Devin. Fab Daddy.
Fab Daddy in the building. Today he's Wire Daddy.
Yeah, Wire Daddy today.
Oh God. You know what you're doing, Devin?
Fake it till you make it, right? I'm just taking off all the old loom and then we'll re-loom it because this used to come up through the engine bay through here and the battery and everything used to sit up here.
Oh, you just making it look cool.
Yeah, this used to sit up next to the battery and I made a cool little cool little box.
Oh, okay.
That way it's weather sealed and it'll sit underneath here.
That's gonna be black, right?
Yeah, wrinkle black.
Hey. Anyway, with more things going on in the shop, we actually got these work what? All right, guys, I'm just kidding. These are actually M8Rs that we finally had sitting around that we put on this GTR. They look great. It's nice to get them out the shop finally. Sad to see them go because these are my favorite wheels, but it's whatever.
What wheels those we're gonna go on?
What?
That white GTR that we built.
They were on there.
Nobody's perfect, but this car is damn near perfect.
So they're on here. It looks so good in the white car. So good, so good. We just shot the video for that. This thing's still chilling, but it looks cool, so it's all right. And we finished this up. Oh, this sounds amazing. Y'all seen these in our past vlogs. This is Joey's S13 Sylvia. And once again, that's still here too, but it's cool. So that's fine. So, if you guys didn't know, Ed finally got his car in. You'll never guess what it is. Boom! Don't mind my crappy daily. Anyway, look at this thing. So apparently this is a Y33. We always get the Y32s, but this is the Y33. This is Ed's new car. And he left his lights on apparently. I need to go tell him that. Look at this thing, man. This thing is cool. She's just a little dirty. She needs to be cleaned up. But I mean, it's crazy how similar these look to the Y32s, just a little bit different. They're pretty awesome. So I believe he's gonna lower it, put a bunch of suspension stuff on it, get his wheels on there. I don't know what else he has in mind, but these things are so cool. Check that out. And we have a bunch of other cool cars out here. Anyways, guys, I just want to show you guys the run shop a little bit, let you know what we're doing on the daily. Make sure you like, share, subscribe. Like I said, we just hit 7,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for that. So, peace out.